Hi, it's Alaska Granny. I have a Black & Decker Alligator, which I've been using to clear up brush and debris that someone dumped on my property and down branches and things, dead trees on my woodland property. The problem is, after using it for about 8 weeks, the chain came off and I had a hard time figuring out what I'm supposed to do. The directions say loosen the 2 bolts and it has an automatic chain tension adjustment. The problem is I could not budge the bolts. So I twisted on them. I found somebody stronger than me to twist on them. I tried tapping them with a hammer. I tried spraying them with some WD-40. I tried heating them up with a hair dryer. And finally, I took the tool, I put it on, and I tapped it with the hammer, and finally they came loose. And so yes, then the chain loosened up, I was able to slip it back on, and you can see there's a bunch of debris that collects under that cap. I was able to clean out the debris. Now I've got my Alligator, I'm back out at Granny Camp. I love this thing. You can chop through everything. Because it has the 2 guards, it holds anything you're cutting in place and it can't kick back at you. So I feel completely safe using this. I've used it a whole bunch and I've really been enjoying it. The only problem I have found is that the battery runs out after about a half an hour, 45 minutes. It doesn't just slowly give out, it just stops, which is nice because you have the full power until it stops. And so I've used it enough, I got strong enough that I can go longer than the battery. It takes about 6 hours to charge back up, so if you're looking for one of these, maybe get a backup battery. Perhaps they make a battery pack that's bigger and it'll last longer. I don't really know, because it's the first time that I've used any kind of power equipment like this. But if you're looking for something that you can really cut through the brush and debris, cut down small trees, and really keep your woodland property going good, looking great, without the need for a cord or a gas-powered chainsaw, check out the Black & Decker Alligator because it really chops the heck out of everything. If you liked my video, I hope you'll share it with someone else you think might enjoy it. Please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel.